My name is Su Chen. My major is Culinary Arts. My favorite experience at CSN will be my studies in the Culinary Arts Program. I used to be a science degree student, and then after I graduated, I thought I want to do something new. I was always passionate about cooking, so I enrolled in the Culinary Arts degree at CSN at the Cheyenne campus. And over there, we got a lot of phenomenal experience with cooking. All the chefs and professors keep it really professional, and they really want you to succeed in your field. We have been breaking down the whole salmon and a lot of fish. We did a lot of cooking that was very intense, but a lot of fun that will definitely aid you in your future if you're interested in cooking. And to me, it was a lot of fun. We made a lot of things that I have never seen before. We made ice cream even in an ice cream machine with all the ingredients made from scratch. So definitely check it out if you're interested in the culinary field. I wish you good luck.